Imagine the morning commute, where a penguin waddles its way through the bustling city. As it moves, we add motion blur trails to emphasize its adorable yet awkward gait. A slight speed ramp at 1.2x gives it a playful urgency, while its tie flapping animation adds a whimsical touch. Small dust clouds puff up from its feet, capturing the essence of a busy morning. Now, let's shift to the giraffe subway gag. Picture the neck stretching deformation, a classic cartoon-style squeeze effect that brings a smile. As the giraffe peers into the subway car, pop-up reaction emojis capture the surprise of fellow commuters. The door vibrates slightly, adding a layer of realism to this quirky moment. In the office scenes, we meet a sloth typing at an impossibly slow pace. Ultra-slow motion captures every deliberate keystroke, while ghost trails follow each key press, illustrating the effort involved. A clock hand spins wildly in the background, contrasting the sloth's lethargy, and a progress bar inches forward at a comically slow 0.1%. Next, we have an octopus multitasking like a pro. The screen splits into 8 panels, each tentacle engaged in a different task. Color-coded task highlights keep everything organized, while floating productivity metrics remind us of the octopus's impressive capabilities. Then we speed things up with a cheetah speed effect. Motion blur trails emphasize its lightning-fast movements, while papers fly around as if caught in a whirlwind. A coffee spill freezes midair, showcasing the chaos of high speed, with speed lines racing across the background. During the lunch break, a lion at the salad bar makes for a hilarious scene. The lettuce trembles as if alive, and carrots jump playfully. Sweat drops form on the vegetables, adding a comedic touch, while thought bubbles filled with meat float above the lion's head, revealing its true cravings. At the elephant water cooler, we see a stack of cups that gradually decreases as water fills up. The trunk animation is both charming and effective, while other animals react in surprise, capturing the social dynamics of the office. Special transitions between scenes keep the energy flowing. Swipe transitions with paw prints and animal-themed wipes create a seamless experience. Office supplies morph into different shapes, and clock hands spin to signify time passing. For the montage, quick cuts at 0.5 seconds each keep viewers engaged. Split-screen layouts and picture-in-picture effects add depth, while a security camera filter gives a playful twist to the whole sequence. As we introduce animal names, pop-up styles with species-specific fonts make each character memorable. Animated entries and exits keep the visuals dynamic, while job title subtitles provide context. Sound effects text comes alive with onomatopoeia graphics that scale in size with volume, color-coded by animal. Motion follows action, enhancing the overall experience. Finally, color grading sets the mood. Office scenes adopt corporate cool tones with a fluorescent lighting effect, slightly desaturated for a professional feel. In contrast, action sequences burst with increased saturation and warmer tones, enhanced contrast, and a motion blur overlay to amplify the excitement. This blend of creativity and technical finesse brings each scene to life, making the ordinary extraordinary.